It's late evening. The sky is painted in deep purples and fading orange. The highway ahead feels endless, and then, slicing through the dusk, a bold, elegant, futuristic silhouette glides across the road. Not a car, not a van, not an RV. Something different, something shocking. A machine engineered by Mercedes-Benz that refuses to fit into any category. This is not a motorhome. This is a revolution on wheels. A $180,000 luxury beast built for the future of travel. Crafted for explorers, dreamers, long-distance families, digital nomads, and anyone who wants one thing: freedom without compromise. Welcome to the 2025 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome, a machine built not just to take you places, but to completely reshape the way you experience the world. Because this is the road trip game changer you never saw coming. And today, we're diving deep into every line, every feature, every piece of tech, and every moment of magic Mercedes engineered into this masterpiece. So sit back, relax, and let me show you why this luxurious, road-devouring machine shocked the entire automotive world. Before you even step inside, the 2025 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome hits you with something powerful. This is not your grandpa's RV. This isn't a clunky white box with faded stickers and squeaky doors. Mercedes designed this thing with the precision of a luxury SUV and the boldness of a futuristic concept vehicle. It feels like a mobile penthouse fused with a high-end shuttle straight out of a sci-fi film. The first thing you notice is the shape. Smooth, sleek, fluid. Mercedes refused the classic brick-cutting through wind problem that most RVs suffer from, so they sculpted this body with wind-optimized curves. Every angle has been engineered, shaped, tested, and perfected for maximum efficiency and minimum drag. The result? This thing doesn't fight the wind, it glides through it. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, dominated by the bold Mercedes grille, deep LED lighting signatures, the wide, confident stance, a lower bumper sculpted like something from a luxury performance SUV. And then the headlights, they don't just illuminate the road, they slice through the night with razor-sharp futuristic precision. The daytime running lights, pure Mercedes attitude, sharp, modern, and unmistakably premium. This motorhome doesn't just want attention, it demands it. Move along the side and the story gets even better. Black-tinted panoramic windows stretch along the cabin, giving it that executive shuttle look, high-end, sleek, and dramatic. The side mirrors? Not even mirrors anymore. They're digital cameras feeding live video to screens inside. Better aerodynamics, better visibility, better style. And then the wheels. Yes, even a motorhome gets performance-grade styling here. Massive 19-inch alloys sit under muscular wheel arches, providing stability, grip, and straight-up swagger. These wheels don't just roll, they command the road. Move to the back and you're met with wide LED taillight bars, a sculpted rear door, subtle chrome touches, rear camera, parking sensors, a clean aerodynamic spoiler. Nothing feels cheap, nothing feels outdated, nothing feels cluttered. It's modern, it's elegant, it's premium. Now step inside and your jaw actually drops. Mercedes engineered the interior to feel like a 5-star hotel suite, a digital command center, and a cozy living room all at once. The driver's cabin feels like a mix between a luxury SUV and a small airplane cockpit. You get massive dual digital displays, AI-powered navigation, a panoramic control layout, a high-resolution 360 degrees camera feeds, a voice-controlled features, ambient light strips, a steering wheel designed with aviation-style curves. This isn't driving, this is piloting a luxury vessel. The digital screens give you real-time energy usage, suspension controls, terrain scanning, weather forecasts, route optimization, 3D mapping, parking assistance, and yes, the virtual overhead drone view makes parking a motorhome feel like a video game. The seats? Mercedes went all out. Ergonomic, leather-wrapped, fully adjustable seats with heating, cooling, massage programs, lumbar support, armrest extensions, a memory settings. You don't just sit, you melt into comfort. Move into the central area and it hits you instantly. You're not inside a vehicle anymore. You're inside a luxury apartment. Premium materials everywhere, soft touch leather, real wood trim, a metal accents, plush carpeting, LED mood lighting, frameless K-bind. The living space includes a fold-out premium sofa, a smart TV, a dining and work table, multiple storage compartments, surround sound audio. The lighting system adapts to different moods: night mode, sunset mode, relaxation mode, focus mode. This interior isn't pretending to be luxurious. It is luxurious. The kitchen is compact but refined. Induction cooktop, touchscreen controls, built-in refrigerator, a microwave oven combo, stainless steel sink, a soft close cabinet. spots, hidden storage. Mercedes didn't make an RV kitchen. They made a mini apartment kitchen, efficient, premium, and modern. Move further back, and the bedroom continues the theme of elegance. A full queen-sized bed, a memory foam mattress, LED wall lighting, side tables, charging ports, cooling vents, a skylight with motorized cover. You could sleep here and forget you're traveling. The bathroom, surprisingly luxurious. A standing shower, ceramic sink, a mirror cabinet, a storage units, a ventilation, LED vanity lighting. It feels more like a boutique hotel bathroom than something inside an RV. Now here's the part that shocks traditional RV enthusiasts. Most motorhomes are slow, weak, struggling, noisy. The 2025 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome? Completely different story. It's powered by a 3.0L turbo diesel inline 6, 200 plus horsepower, 450 plus Nm of torque. Mercedes 9-speed automatic transmission. This thing accelerates confidently, climbs hills effortlessly, and cruises at highway speeds without breaking a sweat. And yes, it's rear-wheel drive with optional 4x4. Most RVs suffer off-road. The Mercedes, it's ready for mud, wet grass, snow, gravel, mountain climbs, uneven terrain. It's basically a luxury SUV wearing a motorhome body. Adaptive air suspension constantly adjusts to road bumps, wind, load weight, steering, speed, terrain changes. You don't feel like you're driving something huge. You feel like you're floating on a luxury cloud. This motorhome includes systems usually found in S-Class sedans: lane keeping assist, AI cruise control, cross-traffic alert, pedestrian detection, blind spot radar, rear collision prevention, night vision camera, automatic emergency braking, 360 degrees camera, road curve prediction, crosswind stabilization, traffic sign recognition. And here's the real innovation. Mercedes integrated a system that maps the area around the vehicle, predicts potential hazards, warns the driver in real time, adapts steering and braking. It doesn't just react, it anticipates. No RV has ever done this. The price starts at money bag $180,000 US, and with customizations it can reach money bag $230,000 plus. But here's the twist. Traditional luxury RVs start at $250,000 and go up to $700,000. This Mercedes is cheaper, smarter, lighter, more efficient, and more modern. Who is it built for? Digital nomads, long-distance travelers, luxury vacationers, retired couples, travel influencers, adventure families, remote workers. Mercedes didn't build a motorhome. They created a new category, the luxury mobile living machine. So what exactly is the 2025 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome? It's not just a vehicle, not just a home, not just a travel machine. It is the luxury hotel on wheels, a digital command center, a mobile living ecosystem, a performance machine, a comfort sanctuary, the technological masterpiece. It blends the freedom of the road with the elegance of a Mercedes penthouse. It redefines travel. It turns every journey into a cinematic experience. It sets a new standard. This is not an RV. This is the future of roadbound luxury, a machine built for those who don't just want to reach a destination, but want to own every moment of the journey. If you loved this deep dive cinematic breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to FutureRide, the channel where we explore the machines shaping tomorrow today. And now I want to hear from you. Backhand index pointing right, which feature of the 2025 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome impressed you the most? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one.